Hello there everyone, my name is Namspralo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, this is an absolute emergency. We had an incredible pump in Bitcoin and I want to really tell you why, because this is absolutely spectacular. This is what we've been talking about for quite some time on my YouTube channel. So guys, if you appreciate these daily updates, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when I make a new upload. And you know where we're coming in from today? Right now, we actually are already filming episode 2 of our crypto expedition to Alaska to raise awareness for crypto and Bitcoin before the bull market hits, and number 2, to actually show that trading with a small budget is possible and you can actually travel the world and live off of trading. So this is what I'm trying to prove here. And actually, we are currently at Washington, and this is actually the Capitol Hill. This is where Congress is, senators, or whatever. So this is the US politics right here, Capitol Hill. You might actually recognize this place from the House of Cards, which is absolutely incredible. But, you know, without any further ado, we're actually doing a lot of trading and a lot of stuff is happening. But I know that I have to keep you guys posted for everything that is happening in the Bitcoin chart. So for this, let's move to the screen. And I hope that this looks okay. But before we talk about technicals and as to what I'm expecting and what I see as a signal right now, because in my opinion it's a signal, just let me tell you about my trade. That my trade stayed the same, just like I described it in a previous video, which was a huge video, and you should check it out. Here is a link to it, the pop-up. Watch this video before you watch this video. So, and before we come back to the technicals, let me show you this right here. This is one of my students. Again, I have a lot of students, but this is one of my students who sent in his results after having at least 200 trades, and this is his cumulative P&L. And this is the result. I mean, this is his statistics from his indices trading, and this is absolutely incredible. Cumulative P&L is over 1,000 points. So those of you who are trading futures, this is huge. And again, he could have used this in stocks or crypto or forex. He just chose to use my strategy elsewhere and in indices, which is fine. And guys, if you're interested in going for one-on-one mentorship, I have a couple of seats right now. There's a link down in the description of this video where you can sign up for a call with my team right here. Book a Zoom call. And the Zoom call is free, but the mentorship is certainly not free, and it's quite expensive because I can only take in a limited amount of people that I can work so closely with to produce these kinds of ridiculous results. If you want to see this as a trader, then sign up for a call right now. Okay, so let's talk as to what has happened, what propelled Bitcoin up before we talk about the price targets and the chart, because it's looking quite interesting. So Moody's actually cuts the rating of 10 US banks and puts some big names on the downgrade watch. Absolutely incredible. As I'm staring at the Capitol Hill in Washington, D.C. right now, you know, I'm in the heart of the lawmaking of the United States. And, you know, it's not a surprise for me right now. We came from New York today, from Wall Street, basically, to like the two most important places of the whole United States. Basically, what this says right here, that the U.S. system is not doing very good. And we've seen that the credit rating of the United States has gone down from AAA to AA+. So, and right now, Moody's cuts the rating of 10 US banks. So it means that this system is garbage. It's going down. It's on its last limb on the way out. Colonial garbage fiat system. So this is what is happening, and for this reason Bitcoin has come. We've seen this happen before when there is some you know, uncertainty in the banking system, like the banks were collapsing recently a few months ago. Bitcoin was going up, and mind you, please have a look that right now, actually, if we're going to take a look at a 4-hour chart, S&P 500 is correcting to the downside, and so is Nasdaq, but Bitcoin is actually going up. Inverse correlation, and this is what we want to see. As I said, that there might be a moment in the bull market when Bitcoin just becomes on its own, and this is going to serve its own narrative and the store of value stuff and etc. So, and this is reason number 1 why we pumped today. Reason number 2 is this right here. This is crazy, guys. BlackRock insiders say that spot Bitcoin ETF approval is expected in 4 to 6 months. And so this is the courtesy of Mike Novogratz. And as it says right here, it came in that it's a big deal because both of their contacts from Invesco side and from the BlackRock side gets you to think that this is a question of not when, not if but when. So guys, this is incredible because these are the insiders. The billionaire Mike Novogratz has a lot of contacts and a lot of people that he talks to, including maybe even Capitol Hill right here in Washington. So this is what's happening. So for these two reasons, Bitcoin actually pumped to the upside. And now let's talk about the targets, the technical targets, and what is happening technically. Actually, what we are seeing right now, we are seeing the breakout from this pattern finally to the upside right here, and right now we are retesting this. It used to be resistance, this orange one. It used to be support, then it actually turned into resistance, and now potentially, hopefully, it's going to turn into a support again. So, and then if we stabilize above $30,000, again, some volume is there, which is good. And in the daily chart, we're gonna, well, the volume isn't very huge on the daily chart just yet, but hopefully it's going to pick up on a larger time frame as well. And our target, if we bounce to the upside and stabilize in this vicinity, our target will be $31,400, $31,500. These will be the targets, and for now it's looking quite good. And I'm very happy to see especially this, because this system, it's about time for it to go out the window. And certainly guys, I'm trading over on Bybit. If you want to claim up to $30,000 initial deposit bonuses, it's still up. Then there is a link down in the description of this video that you can use to get this incredible bonus. And check out this quick tutorial as to how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management. And even if you think you know how to trade, well, still check it out. And as for us, we have a long way to go tonight, and once again, an incredible view of Capitol Hill in Washington, D.C. Guys, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Look forward to the first episode of our show of us driving to Alaska and the challenge. It's just insane. I can tell you it's very hard already. All right, anyway, peace and love. Thanks for all. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.